Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. In this video, we are going to see how can we install Elasticsearch, Kibana and FileBeat using Helm charts on a EKS cluster. You need 4 nodes for your EKS cluster for this particular thing which we are going to do. And along with this, you need Git, Helm, everything. These are the prerequisites for the video session. And I already have EKS cluster with 4 nodes already initialized in my setup. Why does Kubernetes help matter? Kubernetes can become very complex with all the objects you need to handle, such as config maps, services, pods, persistence volumes, in addition to the number of releases you need to manage. These can be managed with Kubernetes Helm, which offers a simple way to package everything into one simple application and advertises what you can configure. Users can install Helm with one click or configure it to suit their organization needs. For example, if you want to package and release version 1.0, make only certain parts configurable. This can be done with Helm. Then with version 2.0, additional parts can be made configurable. Kubernetes Helm fills the need to quickly and reliably provision container applications through easy install, update, and removal. It provides a vehicle for developers to package their applications and share them with the Kubernetes community. What are Helm charts? When building and deploying applications, Helm charts provide the ability to leverage Kubernetes package through the click of a button or a single CLI command. Helm refers to both the client side and server side components, the Helm client and the Tiller or Helm server. The client interacts with the server to perform changes within a Kubernetes cluster. With this, we can get started with the installation of Helm. I will show you whatever the configuration I already have in the EKS cluster with 4 nodes, and I already installed Git where I kept my Helm chart, and we will proceed with Helm installation after that. You can execute kubectl get nodes to see how many nodes are there in your cluster. If you see, I have a 4 node EKS cluster. Just keep in mind you should have 4 nodes, or else whatever we are going to do, it will never work. And then in the GitHub, I have kept my Helm chart already ready. And this Helm chart, we took it from documentation, and in the cluster you need to install Helm. On the EKS cluster, whatever you have, we need to install Helm. I'm copying the commands. This will download the Helm, and after that we need to make chmod 700 for that particular file, and we need to set the Helm install directory is in user local. We have to set it to user bin, and then you can start executing Helm. Now Helm installed to user bin. Now we have the Helm installation ready. You can give Helm version. Now Helm is installed, and we can get started pulling the charts from the GitHub. Go to my GitHub, click on clone or download. Now you have the Helm charts into your system, and go to the Helm charts repository folder, and you will have one more subfolder, ELK help charts. Here you have multiple subfolders: Elasticsearch, Filebeat, Kibana, Logstash, everything. But in this assignment or video, I am going to install Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Filebeat. We'll start with Elasticsearch. How to install Elasticsearch using Helm? We can give Helm install Elasticsearch. One is chart name, another one is folder name. And if you see, it is showing our Elasticsearch is being deployed to namespace default. You can see the pods and deployments which are running. Three nodes are coming: Elasticsearch master 0, master 1, master 2, and they are not ready yet. Now the status is in running state. If there is any issue, we can quickly look into the pod logs, or else it will show status running, and in the ready also it will show. You can say kubectl log this one. Still the setup is going on. Now it is ready. Now we have Elasticsearch up and running using Helm. We can go to load balancer section, and in the load balancer we can copy the instances are in service. We can go to description and copy the DNS name, and we can access this from browser. Now we have Elasticsearch response. Now we will start with Kibana installation using Helm charts. For that, again you need to give Helm install Kibana followed by Kibana. Again we can see kubectl get pods. It should show the Kibana related pods up and running. Now the status is container creating. We'll wait some time so that it will come to running state. Now the status came to running state, and we should wait till it comes ready. Now Kibana is also up and running. Let us grab the load balancer URL for Kibana from EC2 instance load balancer section. You have the second one, which is nothing but Kibana load balancer URL. And few are in service, few are out of service. That's okay. We can go to the description section and we can copy the DNS name and access it from browser. Now we have the Kibana UI also ready. Now we can start installing Filebeat using Helm install Filebeat followed by Filebeat. kubectl get pods. Now Filebeat also started running the pods, and there were 4 pods for the Filebeat. One came ready and rest all are also ready. Now we have Filebeat also. We can go to the Kibana UI and we will see whether the Filebeat data has been loaded or not. Go to explore on data and go to index pattern, create index pattern and look for Filebeat. You see Filebeat data is also there. Now once we create the index pattern, select the timestamp field name as timestamp and go to discover page. You should be able to see the data there. Go to discover page on top left navigation and you should be able to see the data here. If you see, we have the Filebeat data. Now we will try to delete the same Helm charts again using Helm related commands. For listing the Helm charts, you can use Helm list, and for removal, you can say Helm delete the chart name. This is nothing but release name. You can give Helm delete Elasticsearch Filebeat Kibana at once. All the releases were uninstalled. And once we uninstall everything, all the load balancer will be removed automatically. Name, namespace, revision, updated, everything is removed. You can cross check one more time. Load balance also removed. This is how we should search Logstash, Kibana and Filebeat using Helm charts. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.